Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to change the speech volume on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings, so the GLB icon. Let's tap GLB. This is the standard view of the settings. It starts with assistance, but you can go to the system, the fourth tab from the top, and here you can navigate by using the left bar, and if you scroll down here you will see audio, and as you can see here you can enable or disable a few options, and one of them is phone. If you tap phone, you can customize the speech volume. You can hear the sound. I think the correct level in my case is near S, so it's enough for me, and I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.